Namaskar. Welcome to our 5th edition of Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation Signature Dance Festival, Natya Parampara Utsav. This is dedicated to divinity in art and our environment. This is in association with Seshadripuram First Grade College, Yelahanka Eco Watch Club.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
We begin with the customary musical salutation to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Bala Tripura Sundari.
गिरिजार्णव पूर्णेन्दुं समञ्चित कलानिधिम् अपास्थ विघ्नतामिश्रम्.
Inaugural Kuchipudi repertoire by Kruti Ashok. She will be presenting a Purandaradasa Kriti in Ragam Malahari, Rag Rupakatalam, choreographed by Guru Dr. Vasant Kiran.
Magare sa sa re magare sa re gare sa re ma pada ma pada pa magare sa
jum tatta jum tap jum tatta jum jum tatta jum tatta jum tatta jum ginnatum tatta jum tap ding ginnatum tatta jum takadiko jum tap jum tatta jum tap jum tatta jum jum tatta jum tatta jum tatta jum ginnatum tatta jum tap ding ginnatum tatta jum takadiko jum tap jum tatta jum tap jum tatta jum jum tatta jum tatta jum tatta jum ginnatum tatta jum tap ding ginnatum tatta jum takadiko jum
लंबोधर लकुमिकर अंबासुत अमर विनुद लंबोधर लकुमिकर अंबासुत अमर विनुद श्री गणनाथ सिंधूर वर्ण करुण सागर करिवदन श्री गणनाथ सिंधूर वर्ण करुण सागर करिवदन श्री गणनाथ सिंधूर वर्ण करुण सागर करिवदन सिद्धचारण गण सेवित सिद्धि विनायक ते नमो नमो सकल विद्या आदि पूजित सर्वोत्तम ते नमो नमो ते नमो नमो ते नमो नमो लंबोदर लकुमिकर अंबासुत अमर विनुद लंबोदर लकुमिकर.
Thank you. We have our opening artist, child prodigy Parimala Haripriya. Haripriya will commence her recital with Ramam in the verses of Saint Annamacharya where he describes the traits of Lord Rama's demeanor, valor, and devotion to him in pure musical lyrics. Set in Raga Malika, Aditalam, music set by Shweta Prasad, and choreography Guru Deepa Narayanan.
नमः कोदण्डहस्ताय कोदण्डहस्ताय सन्धीकृत शराय नमः कोदण्डहस्ताय सन्धीकृत शराय च खण्डिताखिल दैत्याय रमापायन्निवारिणे रमापायन्निवारिणे निवारिणे रामभद्राय रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रामाय रामभद्राय रनादाय सीताय पतये नमः सीताय पतये नमः
ताम ता तजनु धीम ता तजनु तुम ता तजनु ताम तरिकेट तक दिन ताम ता तजनु धीम ता तजनु तुम ता तजनु ताम तरिकेट तक दिन ताम ता तजनु ताम तरिकेट तक दिन धीम ता तजनु धीम तरिकेट तक दिन ताम तरिकेट तक दिन धीम तरिकेट तक दिन तुम तरिकेट तक दिन ताम तरिकेट दिन धीम तरिकेट दिन तुम तरिकेट दिन तरिकेट दिन तरिकेट दिन तरिकेट दिन दिन ता ता दे दी के तुम नम नम तत्ता दे दी के तुम नम नम तत्ता दे दी तुम नम नम तत्ता दे दी तुम नम नम तत्ति तुम नम तक्ति तच्चम तत्ति तरिकेट तक ताम किट तक तक्कचम तक्कचम तद्धिम तरिकेट तक तद्धिम तरिकेट तक ताम किट तक तरिकेट तच्चम 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 ता धिम तरिकेट तक ता धिम तरिकेट तक ता धिम तरिकेट तक ताम
श्यामं परात्पर धामं सुरसार्वभौमं भजे राममिल्देवर 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 श्यामं
Thank you, Haripriya. Haripriya will conclude with an Tarangam. Tarangam is an indispensable and traditional item in Kuchipudi style introduced by Kuchipudi Doyen Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri, who is also known to be having initiated women to perform the Kuchipudi art form. Set to Raga Malika and Adi Talam, music Shweta Prasad, choreography Guru Deepa Narayanan.
Tari tari, tari dana dana, dana janu janu, janu ta. Tati tari gida daga tari tari, dana dana, janu janu, dhimi dhimi, ta dim. Tari gida daga tari tari, dana dana, dana janu janu, janu ta. Tati tari gida daga tari tari, dana dana, janu janu, dhimi dhimi, ta dim. Tari gida daga tari tari, tari ta. Tati tari gida daga tari tari, ta dim. Tari gida daga dana dana, janu ta. Tati tari gida daga dhimi dhimi, ta dim. Tari gida daga tari tari, dana dana, dana janu janu, janu dhimi dhimi, dhimi tari tari, dana dana, janu janu, dhimi dhimi, tari, dana, janu, dhimi, tari, dana, janu, dhimi, tari, dana janu dhimi, da dim. Tating hinna tum da dim. Tating hinna tum da dim. Tating hinna tum da ritana janu dhimi da. Tating hinna tum da. Tating hinna tum da. Tating hinna tum da ritana janu dhimi da. Tating hinna tum da ka ding hinna tum ka ding tum da.
Sri Gopalaka Rasa Krida Siddha Mahotsava Varnana Madhuna 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 Sri Gopalaka Rasa Krida Siddha Mahotsava Varnana Madhuna.
Tati takidam de ta gida daga tari gida dum da chum ta dim. Tati takidam da gida daga tari gida dum da chum ta dim. Tati takidam da dim. Tati takidam da dim. Tati takidam da.
Sri Gopalaka Rasa Krida Siddha Mahotsava Varnana Madhuna Kamale Kshanamiha Kalitalanita Murali Kalarinadam Kalayatavana Bhuvi Kamale Kshanamiha Kalitalanita Murali Kalaninadam Kalayatavana Bhuvi Kamale Kshana Kamale Kshana Kamale Kshana
Srividya Angara was introduced to Kuchipudi at a tender age. For more than 25 years, her journey with the dance style has continued. Srividya Angara blazes her own trail with her own unique brand. Please welcome Srividya Angara.
సభకు నమస్కారం. The very first presentation that I will be doing in Kuchipudi tonight is the Mandodari Shabdam, composed in ragas Mohana and Kapi. This ancient Shabda is a challenge to the dancer's strength, stamina, and sense of theatre. this beautiful anecdotal tale I'd like to present in front of all of you in the form of the Mandodari Shabdam. Thank you.
ಧಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತಕತಾಹ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ಧಿತ್ತಳಂಗು ಧಿತ್ತಳಂಗು ತುಂ ತಡಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತಕತಾಹ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಡಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತಡಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತುಂ ಧಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತಕತಾಹ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಡಿಗಿಣಂಗು ತಕತಾಹ ತಕಿಟ ತಕನಂ ತಡಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ಝಂ ತಡಿಕಿಟ ತಕನಂ ತಡಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ಝಂ ತಡಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಕಿಡತಕ ತಡಿಕಿಟುಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತಡಿಕಿಟುಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತಡಿಕಿಟುಂ
ರಾಜಾಧಿರಾಜ ವೀರ ಪ್ರತಾಪ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಯ ಭೂಪಾ 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 ಮಂಡೂಕ ಭರತ ಕ್ರಮಮೇ ಮಂಡೂಕ ಭರತ ಕ್ರಮಮೇ ಬುಡ 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 ಮಡುಗುನ ಜೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಂಡು ಕಂಬಿದಿ ಮಡುಗುನ ಜೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಂಡು ಕಂಬಿದಿ ಮಡುಗುನ ಜೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಂಡು ಕಂಬಿದಿ ಮಡುಗುನ ಜೊತ್ತಿನ ಮಂಡು ಕಂಬಿದಿ ಮಂಡೋದರಿ ಮಂಡೋದರಿ ಮಂಡೋದರಿ
ಧಿತ್ತಣ ಜುಡುತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಗದೆ ಧಿಮಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತರಿ 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 ತದಿತ್ತಣ ಜುಡುತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಗದೆ ಧಿಮಿಂ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ್ತರಿ 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 ತತ್ತರಿಗಡದುಂ ತಾಂ ತತ್ತರಿಗಡದುಂ ದೇ ತತ್ತರಿಗಡದುಂ
ಧಗ 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 ಢಾಲು ಖಡ್ಗమును ధగ 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 మని మెరయగ ధగ 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 ఢాలు ఖడ్గమును ధగ 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 మని మెరయగ నిగ నిగ కారముయురమున మెరయగ నిగ నిగ కారముయురమున మెరయగ ఇరు పక్కల భుజ కీర్తులు మెరయగ ఇరు పక్కల భుజ కీర్తులు మెరయగ తరికుళంకు తకధిత్తకుతై తరికుళంకు తకధిత్తకుతై దుమికిట దుమికిట దొద్దోదింద దుమికిట దుమికిట దొద్దోదింద
తక కిట తక కిడదగ దరికిడదుం కిడదగ దరికిడదుం కిడదగ దరికిడదుం తద్ధిం ధన్నత్త ధింద తక ధిం ధన్నత్త ధింద తక ధినతం తక ధినతం తక ధినత
ఓయమ్మా మాధవి రావణాసురుడు మండోదరిని గాంచి హైమవతిగా తలంచి మోహితుడై సమ్మోహితుడై సమ్మోహితుడై
తా కుద్ధన్న కుద్ధే కుత్తరే కుత్త కిడదగదా కుట్టే తా కుద్ధన్న కుద్ధే కుత్తరే కుత్త
ముదమున ముదమున దశకంఠుండు ముదమున ముదమున దశకంఠుండు కోమల లలన సమ్మోహితుడై కోమల లలన సమ్మోహితుడై సరసన చేరను మండోదరితో సరసన చేరను మండోదరితో చేరను లంకాపురికి చేరను లంకాపురికి చేరను లంకాపురికి రాజాధిరాజ రాజా శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా రాజాధిరాజ రాజా శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా రాజాధిరాజ వీర ప్రతాప శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా సకలాంధ్ర ద్రవిడ కర్ణాటకధిప శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా నవరత్న ఘటిత సింహాసనధిప శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా సంగీత నృత్య శిల్పాదికళకు శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా శ్రీకృష్ణరాయ భూపా सलाम धी सलाम तते ताते तताम किटतक तते ताते तताम तते ताते तताम किटतक तते ताते तताम
Krishnam Kalaya Sakhi Sundaram Balakrishnam Kalaya Sakhi Sundaram. Gracious eye on him. While worshipping Krishna in the very end, suddenly Narayana Tirtha is blessed with the vision of a dancing Krishna, and in that ecstasy outpours beautiful lyrics that come out of his hand. Suddenly, when he looks up, the Krishna who appeared so mysteriously disappears just as mysteriously. But he's left with a beautiful lyric which he submits at the Lord's feet. Krishnam Kalaya Sakhi Sundaram in Raga Mukhari and Tala Adi.
कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं
तत्कद्धिमि तद्धिमि तत्किटतकतीता किटतकतझुं ततुं तकतद्धिमि तद्धिमि तत्किटतकताता किटतकतझुं ततुं तत्तधिमि तद्धिमि तत्किटतकतकतद्धिमि तद्धिमि तत्किटतकतयत्तुं ततैः ततुं ततैः ततां ततैः तत्तर्किटतुं ततैः ततां ततैः तत्तर्किटतुं ततैः ततां ततैः तत्तर्किटतुं
कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बाल राधारुणाधर सुधापम् राधारुणाधर सुधापम् राधारुणाधर सुधापम् राधारुणाधर सुधापम् राधारुणाधर सुधापम् नृत्यन्तमितमुहुरत्यन्तमपरिमित
तज्झुं तकझुं तकिटझुं तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं 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 तज्झुं तकझुं तकिटझुं तद्धिन्तरिकिटतुं 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 तद्धित्तकधिनतुं धित्तकधिनतुं तकधिनतुं तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं तकतद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं तकधिगु तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं
नृत्यन्तमिकमुहुरत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यन्तमिकमुहुरत्यन्तमपरिमित
तद्धण्ण धण्ण तज्झुण्णु झुण्णु तद्धिम्मि धिम्मि तद्धित्तकधिनतुं तद्धण्ण धण्ण तज्झुण्णु झुण्णु तद्धिम्मि धिम्मि तकधित्तकधिनतुं तकधिनतुं 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 तद्धित्तकधिनतुं धित्तकधिनतुं तकधिनतुं तद्धिङ्गिणतु तकतधिङ्गिणतु तकधिगु तद्धिङ्गिणतु तद्धित्तकधिनतुं धित्तकधिनतुं तकधिनतुं तद्धिङ्गिणतु तकतधिङ्गिणतु तकधिगु तद्धिङ्गिणतु तद्धित्तकधिनतुं धित्तकधिनतुं तकधिनतुं तद्धिङ्गिणतु तकतधिङ्गिणतु तकधिगु तद्धिङ्गिणतु
नृत्यन्तमिकमुहुरत्यन्तमपरिमित
Next artist of the evening, the dancing duo, P. Girish Chandra and Devi Girish.
Which is a tribute to Guru Sri Vempati Ravishankar. We commence today's recital with Surya Stuti, choreographed by Guru Sri Vempati Chinnasatyam. Music, Sri P. Sangeeta Rao, Ragam Saurashtra, Talam Rupakam. And we are extremely blessed to have the audio sung by Guru Sri Vempati Ravishankar Garu.
जपा कुसुम संकशम तस्य पेयं महाद्युतिं तमोर्यं सर्वपावघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि वन्दे प्रभाकरं वन्दे शुभकरं 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 भुवनं मूल जीवमूल दीप्तिनो सगुदिव्यज्योति भुवनं मूल जीवमूल दीप्तिनो सगुदिव्यज्योति भुवनं मूल जीवमूल दीप्तिनो सगुदिव्यज्योति सर्वसाक्षि छायापति सुगुणराशि सूर्यमूर्ति वन्दे प्रभाकरं वन्दे शुभकरं वन्दे प्रभाकरं वन्दे शुभकरं वन्दे प्रभाकरं वन्दे
Next piece is an excerpt from our production, Arjuna Dashnamiya. Music is composed by Sri DSV Shastri, Ragamaliga, Talamaliga, choreographed by Girish and Devi. त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं द पद पम रि म पद म पद रि सरि सद सरि म रि सद स द पद पम रि म पद म पद रि सरि सद सरि म रि सद स त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं concluding item for today's recital is Taranga, Shiva Shiva Bhava Bhaiva, in praise of Lord Shiva. In this item, we chose to elaborate Ananta Natana Vilona as the vivacious moments of Shiva and Parvati. The slokam used in the Tarangam is the first two stanzas of Shivananda Lahari, originally composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya in Sanskrit. Music composition of the slokam is by late Dr. Sri Balamurali Krishna. Music composition of the Tarangam is by Srimati Aparna Nandakishore. Talam Adi, Ragam Maliga, choreographed by us.
நதிரேயம் களந்தி சம்போ வச்சரின சரித கில்பிஷரஜோ Shiva Shiva Bhava Bhava Charanam 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 Bhava Bhava Dusara Dava Maranam Shiva Shiva Bhava Bhava Charanam Shiva Shiva Bhava Bhava Charanam Shiva Shiva Bhava Bhava Charanam Takikajam Tata Takikajam Tata Tiku Takikajam Ta Taka Takikajam Tata Takikajam Tata Tiku Takikajam Takikajam Karikadatum 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 Takikajam Karikadatum 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 Takikajam Karikadatum Takikajam Karikadatum Takikajam Karikadatum Takikajam Karikadatum 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 Karikadatum
We now continue with a mesmerizing Odyssey recital by Uttarantarajam. The first item for the day to be performed is Batu Nritya. Thank you.
Krishna Leela. Rag Mishra Pilu. Tal Rupak. Choreography by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra. Music Pandit Bhubaneshwar Mishra.
से नंद राजार टिकी पिलाटी से नंद राजार टिकी पिलाटी से टिकी पिलाटी किरे छंद जाने लो सो
Final artist for the day, Dr. Eleswarapu Srinivasulu, from traditional Kuchipudi family whose maternal grandfather was Yakshagana Chakravarti Sri Mahankali Satyanarayana. Today, Srinivasulu will enact the importance of Pratinayaka Patras in Kuchipudi Yakshagana to drive home the need to live of right character to attain emancipation from life. the character of Vrikasura, commonly known as Bhasmasura, entry to the Yakshaganam, the Pravesha Daru.
సభకు వైభవమలరగారుడెంచెను వృకాసురుడు సభకు వైభవమలరగా
తజ్జన తజ్జను తజ్జిమి ధీం 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 తజ్జన తజ్జను తజ్జిమి ధీం 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 తజ్జన తజ్జన తజ్జిమి ధీం 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 తజ్జన తజ్జన తజ్జిమి తజ్జన తజ్జన తజ్జిమి తదీం గే నాతం తద్దిం గే నాతం తదిగనతం తజ్జన తజ్జన తజ్జిమి తదీం గే నాతం తద్దిం గే నాతం తదిగనతం తజ్జన తజ్జన తజ్జిమి తదీం గే నాతం తద్దిం గే నాతం
మధుగాన్ శృంగారం రేవటం పొంగారెడుల తాంగనలు రంగుగణ తనమాడకు అరుదెంచెను వృకాసురుడు సభకు వైభవమలరగారుదెంచెను వృకాసురుడు సభకు వైభవమలరగారుదెంచెను వృకాసురుడు సభకు.
Vaira Bhakti, Hiranyakashipu in dialogue with the young Prahalada and later glimpses of the prolonged fight with the Lord Narasimha Swami. Supporting him today are Eleswarapu Purnachandra Rao and Savitru Kulkarni.
వదనములను తొలగి ముండివై గురువదనములను తొలగి ముండివై కులమెలంగెనము కులమెలంగెనమువగ తెలియదాన నాదు పరాక్రమములు తెలియదాన నాదు శాసనమున కెడల రవి పాదుకోను నాదు పరాక్రమములు తెలియదాల స్తంభమున దాగియున్నావా ఏ స్తంభమా చతుర్శూల ప్రకంపమానమై బ్రహ్మాండ కుహర వేదన ప్రచండమై ప్రణయకాల సమయ సంజృంభమాన గంభీర దంభోళీ సమానమైన నా గదాప్రహారంపు నేడు కవిచూచెదవుగాక ఏ స్తంభమా కంటి మంట తెగలంట దానవుని వెంటనంటి పనిని గరుడు గింటి పట్టు ప్రియదేవము జన కంటను దడిలించి పట్టువై కంటు తీర ధరణి దిగ్గి తొడపై కంటి బట్టి సింహధ్వని చేతను దుర్మనర్యాంటి
Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation considers blessed to honor Kuchipudi Yakshagana Kalanidhi Guru Bhagavathula Ramamurthy. Immensely happy to honor Natya Visharada Dr. Ranjini Ganeshan Ramesh. Guru Deepa Shashindran Narayanan to felicitate our guest, Sri Vudepi Krishna. Srimati Sakripriya Ramana. Sri Surya Prasad. Parimala Haripriya. Sri Vidya Angara. Sri Srinivasa. Eleshwarapur Purnachandra Rao.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is not the time for me to talk. This is a time for all of us to watch and enjoy. Friends, I am very happy to be with you all this evening. I must congratulate Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation and Sheshadripuram First Grade College, Yelahanka, for having collaborated to organize such a wonderful event. And I must congratulate Kruti Ashok, our own student who gave such a wonderful welcome dance, and also Parimala Haripriya, who did a child prodigy, but then her performance, she stole our hearts, I should tell you, because I am not properly trained into the art forms, but still, instinctively I could enjoy, because I find in this kind of a form, art form, you have to sing and simultaneously dance. It's not so easy, because it involves, I am an engineer, I believe in what is called multitasking. And if you want to really master the art of multitasking, say singing, maintaining grace, rhythm and bhava, all these things, I think one should learn one dance form or the other. That is my sincere feeling. And I could see one other thing with these performers. See, at the end of the performance, they were all energized, not exhausted. This is the beauty of our art forms and our whole thing. And I am very happy today, my dear friends. We have been able to do two great things here. One, remember our gurus. Our Guru Parampara is great. If our art forms have to live, we have to revere and respect our gurus. And very nicely, this program is been done as a tribute to late Guru Vempati Ravishankar. And we have also honored two great gurus, Guru Bhagavatula Ramamurthy and Dr. Ranjani Ganeshan Ramesh. I offer my humble pranams to both of them because they are the beacon light of this great parampara, and we need to preserve this, we need to develop this over the years, because we have to hand over this, this great culture to the coming generation. And I am very happy the Eco Club of the institution has associated itself with this program. Here, the whole emphasis is on the preservation of our environment. And I am very happy to see even the invitation card is printed green. I think we should now start thinking green, doing green, and everything in our life should become green until and unless. And I am very happy that all art forms are eco-friendly. They are all in tune with nature. That is the beauty of all art forms. And I think this message, I think all the people who have gathered here will take. And I must once again congratulate, Kuchipudi Parampara Foundation for having taken the trouble of organizing such a wonderful event. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Sri Surya Prasad sir to say few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕೂಚುಪುಡಿ ನಾಟ್ಯದಂತಹ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಮಗ್ರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದರ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಸಿಕರಿಗೆ ಉಣಬಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಎಲೆ ಮರೆ ಕಾಯಿಯಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣನ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇಂತಹ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಹಕ್ಕೆ ಎದುರಾಗಿ ಈಜುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಾಹಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ 5ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಕೂಚುಪುಡಿ ಪರಂಪರಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಚುಪುಡಿ ನಾಟ್ಯದ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲನ್ನು ಅದರ 5ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣನ್ನು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ವರ್ತ್ in varieties of ways, that she is an able teacher, that she is an able choreographer, that she is a very meticulous organizer. Everything is proved today. Her students danced today. I was just taken aback. Entha choreography, ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿಯ ನಿಯಾನ್ಸಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಆ ಯಂಗ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಯಂಗ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಲೀಲಾಜಾಲವಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣನ್, ಅನ್ಡೌಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಕೇಪಬಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಇಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಲು ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆಕೆಯ ಒಂದು ಮನೋಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಲೂ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಪಟಿ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರ ನಿಧನವಾಯಿತು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಗಲಿದರು. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ವೆಂಪಟಿ ಚಿನ್ನಸತ್ಯಂ ಅವರ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನು, ಆ ಪರಂಪರೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಶಾಕಿರಣವಾಗಿ ವೆಂಪಟಿ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಚೂನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ at least 3 or 4 times. What a stage presence, what a choreographic excellence. ಆ ಮೈಥಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕರಗತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ವೆಂಪಟಿ ಚಿನ್ನಸತ್ಯಂ ಅವರ ಆಶಯಗಳೇನಿತ್ತು, ಅವರ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಜಿ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಭಗವಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೀನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಸಾಕು, ನನ್ನ ಆಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ದೇವರು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹೋಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೇ ಆ ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ನ 5th ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ dance festival has been dedicated to Ravi Shankar ji. What a great thing she has did. It's really a fine gesture from Deepa Narayanan. Again, I would like to compliment Deepa Narayan ji for this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರೋದಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿತು. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಯ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಡೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು, he is a finest rasika. He himself is an artist. He is an engineer. He is an organizer. He is an able administrator. All combined together. ಅಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು when they are at the helm of affairs, thank God we are blessed. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸು, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒತ್ತಾಸೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಯಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಡೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣನ್ ಇದರ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನ, ಇದರ ಸ್ಟೇಚರ್ನ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕರೆಸಿ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿ, ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಪಾ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾರ್. ಇದೇ ಅಕೇಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವೆಟ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಸೀಸನ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ವಿಷಯ. ಅಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವತರು ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರನ್ನು ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಔಚಿತ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಚಿಗುರು ಹಳೆ ಬೇರು ಕೂಡಿರಲು ಮರ ಸೊಬಗು. ಇಂತಹ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ರಂಜನಿ ಗಣೇಶನ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರೈಟರ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್, ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್, ಕನ್ವೀನರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಕೆನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ, ಬಾಂಬೆಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವರೇ ಬಾಂಬೆಯಿಂದ ಕರೆಸಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫೈನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೆಸ್ಚರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಪಾ. ಐ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ humbly bow down and salute these two artists who have been honored on this occasion. Once again, I compliment Deepa ji and all those who supported her in the happening of this event in the most successful manner. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Srimati Satyapriya Ramana ma'am, I kindly request you to come forward to speak few words.
First of all, felicitating these two eminent artists, Mr. Bhagavatal Ramamurthy and Dr. Rajni Ganeshan. They both are knowledgeable and experienced personalities. Felicitating them is like felicitating the art. And watching these dances, really, I felt happy seeing Vasant Kiran student doing the Ganesha Stuti. After that, Haripriya dancing for one Annamachari Kirti and Tarangam. I have seen Deepa Narayanan 4 years back when I did Natvangam for her performance. I know her dance, but today seeing her choreography, really, I should appreciate her. She really reminded me of Dr. Vempatis Bani, and she's absolute perfect example for Guru Parampara. She is student of Dr. Vempatis, Manju Bhargavi's student, and her student is Haripriya. And I could see the beautiful Vempatis style in her Tarangam. And Deepa's choreography is no words to explain. Every movement, by the time we enjoy one moment, the next one is coming. It's just going so fast. And the choreography is for every word, every bit, how our master, how my Guruji, how we used to choreograph like that. It is like how masters Marakata Manimaya be, like for every word, for one word, we'll be showing 2-3 gestures. Like that, she's not repeating a single gesture. She did so beautifully. I really appreciate Deepa for that, for beautiful choreography, and Haripriya. And she's a challenge to the Guru. And she got a very, very good Guru in Deepa. And Deepa got a good student in Haripriya. Both of their abilities are coming out in a challenging way. And you're here, Deepa? Yes. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, everything. It's not that easy to do the movements so fast. And you did not waste not even a single line. Usually going back is to take rest from one charanam to another charanam. Even that walking back and standing, even that part she did not waste. There also she did the Abhinaya, and before that Rasakrida, and everything, it's beautiful. And that Rama Induvadana, in that, the swaying of the leg, and then doing the Brahmari, and standing in that posture is really difficult. If you know the dance, you will understand the difficulty in that. But she choreographed so beautifully, and Haripriya did that beautifully. And every moment in the Tarangam during that Pallavi, and every time she showed that beautiful garden in front of my eyes, I could see the Brindavan there. She showed me Brindavan, Krishna, Radha, everything. It's beautiful, amazing. God bless you. Thank you for inviting me today here. Otherwise, I would have missed the wonderful choreography of yours and beautiful dance of Haripriya's. Thank you.
Now I request the dancer, teacher, all-rounder, Srimati Ranjini Ganeshan Ramesh to say a few words.
Namaskaram, Nityanandam. What a beautiful occasion, and every occasion is created by Mahasadashiva himself to make each one of us realize and connect back to our own roots. The whole world is a creation of Mahasadashiva. He's just reminding us, get back to your roots, connect yourself. Everything eco-friendly is connecting back to what is created by Mahasadashiva and Adishakti. A form of enjoyment, celebration, as well as connect with the divinity is nothing but music and dance. Everything originated from him. Just that we got so carried away by many distractions that we forgot to connect. Beautiful festival curated by Deepa, my dear friend, to just reconnect all of us back to that divinity. I have known Deepa for over 25 years. My first collaborative work was with Deepa in Arudra festival. And Deepa choreographing doesn't come to me as surprise at all, because she just would flow with every song and every movement. Today, translating Deepa and bringing Deepa out through another physical body was Haripriya. It's even the creation is done justice with only when there is somebody to bring out that creation. That is what the beautiful child, absolutely divine child with her dancing, is not moving hands and legs for a set of people. It is to connect with the divinity and transport and transcend those who are either watching or learning by the dancer. She just transcended all of us to Treta Yuga and Dwapara Yuga. Amazing how that child can have that kind of composure. Every dancer can dance, but to dance with composure, understand the space between each matra and enjoy that space and make the others connect with the divinity. Only when that space is enjoyed, people can connect to divinity. Soul touching, scintillating, whatever you can call it. There are no words to explain or speak of the beautiful creation of Deepa. Not just dance, but this festival bringing all so many Diggajas together. What a beautiful festival. I really pray Bhagwan to bless Deepa. This is the 5th series. May it become 50 and so on and so forth with every zero. Shunya is a Purna number. Let it go on adding to Deepa's all her endeavors. May God bless her. I have no words to express my thanks to Deepa. Words will be very small and very superficial, but what is there, I think I have communicated to her for having me over. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, I thank all the guests who came here to grace the occasion with your presence and blessings. And our heartfelt gratitude, Sri Ramaprasad sir, who helped us to organize this function. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Everything that starts from him goes en route through him and goes back to him. 30 years ago, probably, sir, 1991, 92, Surya Prasad sir spotted me in Khajuraho after the festival, and he said, "Oh, nammur hudgi illoblidale." And the interview for Star Channel those days just got converted into Kannada interviews and talks. And from then on, he's been a great source of inspiration, motivation, a philosopher, my guide, mentor in this beautiful field. And today to get this kind of a authentication of the work Mahasadashiva has sent me to do is a great honor. We'll always remember your blessings, sir. And please continue to have your blessings on me.